Hi friends, and welcome back to your next math lesson about coins. You'll see that today we're focusing on the nickel. Now I want you to keep in mind that our focus today is counting how many nickels we see. So we won't be using the cent sign today like we did with pennies, because we're not counting how much they're worth, we're counting how many there are. So let's take a look at this first problem. You'll see that there's plenty of nickels there, and some of them show the heads side of the coin, and some of them show the tails side of the coin. Let's count these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We see 9 nickels. Now remember, I'm not going to write the cent sign because that's not how much money there is. That's just showing us how many nickels there are. So we have 9 nickels in the first group. Let's take a look at the second group and count those together. First, do you think that there's more nickels in this group? If there are, then it should be more than 9. But let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many nickels do we have in that group? 11. Very good. Number 3, I want you to take a look at this one on your own. Count how many nickels you see, and then I'm going to write the answer over here so you can check your work. Did you say that there are 6 nickels? That is correct. Great job. Now let's take a look at this next problem. We want to make sure that we know the difference between a penny and a nickel because those are the 2 coins that we've learned so far. So in this task, we need to circle the nickels and count how many there are in this bag. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 nickels. Now remember, we were only supposed to circle and count nickels, so I did not circle and count this penny because it's not a nickel, it's a penny. Good job. Okay, here we go. We're going to do the same thing for this problem. Remember, we're only going to circle and count the nickels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 nickels in this bag. Okay, here we go. Now we have a new bag to look at. But before we start counting, I want you to think about this question. If I want to buy a snack that I will need 5 nickels for, do I have enough in this bag to buy that snack? Well, let's circle and count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 nickels. Do I have enough to buy that snack? I sure do. Here's our last question for today's activity. Which number shows how many nickels are in this group? Let's circle and count, just like we did before. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 nickels in this collection. Great job, my friends. Now it's your turn to do your best on your Pear Deck activity. Good luck.